drone that lets users of any skill level feel the thrill of immersive flight.
Gadget sales are at an all-time high, and every tech company out there are at the top of their game to get new customers with new and flashy gadgets. However, the problems for gearheads like me is that not all these gadgets are useful. Some of them are just for show. This is why in today's video, we've decided to bring you some gadgets that are not only useful, but also cool. Here are 8 coolest new gadgets that are worth buying. 8. Nintendo Switch. Right off the bat, we have a gadget specially made for gamers, the Nintendo Switch. Developed by Nintendo, the gadget is a hybrid console that can both be used as a home console or as a portable device. It has a wireless Joy-Con controller with standard buttons and directional analog sticks for user input, motion sensing, and tactile feedback. 7. Fitbit Charge 3. Miles ahead of the Fitbit Charge 2, the Charge 3 is regarded as the company's coolest new gadget. For those of you that have used the Fitbit Charge 2, I'm here to tell you that the Charge 3 is even better. Its sleek design makes it better than the Charge 2, and it looks way cooler. Apart from its monochrome screen, the Fitbit Charge 3 has a proprietary charger that is completely waterproof. The only drawback about the gadget is that it has no onboard GPS. Besides that, the Fitbit Charge 3 is an absolutely wonderful device. 6. Valve Index. As most of you know it, virtual reality is slowly becoming common in the world today, hence the need to produce VR headsets. Speaking of VR headsets, one of the very best out there is Valve Index. Valve Index is a next-generation headset that is sure to blow your mind. In terms of capacity and smoothness, the Valve Index is better and smoother than the HTC Vive and the Vive Pro. The Valve Index goes for about $9.99, but you are assured the comfort of getting full value for your money. 5. Sony WH-1000XM3. If by chance you have been in search of the best and coolest noise-canceling headphones out there, then the Sony WH-1000XMS is the one for you. The headphone uses the newer USB-C charging instead of the usual micro USB connection. The headphone also has a bit more padding along its bridge to make it more comfortable to wear. Just like most of the other gadgets on today's video, the XM3 is better than the older generations and even competes with some of the new Sony headphones. 4. Belkin Magnetic Phone Mount with Face Tracking. Imagine being able to mount your phone while you sit down and watch. Well, with the Belkin Magnetic Phone Mount with face tracking, you get exactly this privilege. The Belkin Magnetic Phone Mount makes use of the iPhone 12's MagSafe tech, so you can magnetically snap the phone into place and get going. The motorized phone stand will also pair with the iPhone 12's face tracking to follow you around a room. 3. Signia Active Hearing Aids. Ear damage can occur through either infection or through the use of cotton buds. Because of this reason, it's good to get a hearing aid that helps you navigate your environment. Signia Active Hearing Aids is the best gadget to get for this case. The gadget uses Bluetooth connectivity, an accompanying mobile app, a rechargeable battery, and a sleek earbud designed to help with any hearing issue. 2. DJI FPV Drone. Drones are made for various reasons, some to take pictures, while others are made to capture beautiful scenery. One of such, DJI FPV Drone, the drone beams the view from its camera straight to a headset back to terra firma, where you can see what the drone sees. The DJI FPV drone is a user-friendly version of what drone racing pilots use in competitions. With the drone, you'll get 25 minutes of flight time traveling at a max speed of 87 miles per hour. 1. PS5 VR controller. With the arrival of the PS5, everybody has the plan of enjoying it to the fullest, and the only way to do this is by buying the PS5 VR controller. The controller will translate your hand movements into the virtual world. This will enable you to pick up and manipulate objects in the virtual world in a natural way. So, for all PS5 owners, the PS5 VR controller is one cool gadget you should really buy. With that, we have come to the end of the video. Which of these gadgets did you find to be the coolest? Let us know in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share the video with your friends. Until next time, stay frosty. Bye.